IHG One Rewards Premier Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how fast hotel points can add up with this card. Most people get it wrong by thinking it's only for frequent travelers. The surprising truth is that even occasional stays at IHG properties can unlock valuable rewards and perks. You earn bonus points on IHG purchases, plus points on dining, travel, and everyday spending. Cardholders get an annual free night certificate and automatic elite status, which includes late checkout, room upgrades, and bonus points on stays. The card also offers travel protections like trip cancellation, lost baggage coverage, and purchase protection, giving you peace of mind on every trip. The downside? It carries an annual fee, so you need to use the card's benefits regularly to make it worthwhile. Verdict: worth it for IHG loyalists or frequent travelers. Leave it if you rarely stay at hotels or don't want to pay the annual fee.